What if I told you that every atom in your body was once part of a dying star? Yes, the gold in your jewelry, the calcium in your bones, even the iron in your blood, all of it was forged in the fiery death of a distant sun. But have you ever wondered, how does a star actually live and die in such spectacular fashion? Stay with me till the end, because what you're about to discover will completely change the way you look at the night sky. Discover how stars are born, live, and explode, and why their death keeps the universe alive. Stars don't just appear, they're born inside massive clouds of dust and gas called nebulae. These clouds float in space for millions of years until gravity starts pulling the gas together, tighter, denser, and hotter. The more they collapse, the more pressure builds, until, suddenly, nuclear fusion ignites. Hydrogen atoms begin to fuse into helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. And just like that, a new star is born. Our Sun. It was born this way, about 4.6 billion years ago, inside a cloud that may have once belonged to an older exploded star. Once stable, a star enters what's called its main sequence, the prime of its life. Here, it burns hydrogen steadily for billions of years. Small stars like our Sun live long, peaceful lives. But massive stars, 10 or even 100 times heavier, burn so fast that their life lasts only a few million years. They shine intensely, often thousands of times brighter than the Sun, but that brightness comes with a cost, a shorter lifespan. And the craziest part, stars literally fight a war between gravity pulling in and fusion pushing out. As long as fusion wins, the star lives. But when gravity takes over, the real fireworks begin. When a star runs out of fuel, its core begins to collapse. For smaller stars like the Sun, this collapse creates a planetary nebula, a glowing shell of gas with a white dwarf left behind. But for massive stars, the ending is much more violent. They explode in a supernova, releasing more energy in a few seconds than the Sun will emit in its entire lifetime. These explosions scatter heavy elements, gold, silver, uranium, across space. Those very atoms later combine to form new stars, new planets, and eventually, us. And if the star is truly gigantic, its core doesn't stop collapsing. It becomes a neutron star, or worse, a black hole, where even light cannot escape. Every death of a star gives birth to something new. Nebulae form again from the debris, gravity works its magic once more, and new stars emerge, continuing the cosmic cycle of life. So when you look up at the night sky, remember, those tiny dots of light are not just stars. They are factories of creation, destroyers, and givers of life. Without their death, there would be no us. If this blew your mind, hit that like button and share it with someone who loves space as much as you do. Comment below, which part amazed you the most, the birth, the explosion, or the black hole? And don't forget to subscribe, because next, we'll uncover what's really hiding inside a black hole.